Well, first of all, I've got to apologise for the mess on my bench, but secondly to that, here's the motor. I've just found two broken wires in the windings, and I've kind of spliced them back together as best as I can. And I can't believe it, but right, I'm going to plug this in. There's the motor. Bang, there you go. Look at that. Starts, runs, goes in the right direction. I'm absolutely amazed. Look at that. Fantastic, isn't it? Nice and smooth. There you go. There is something interesting. I don't know about this, but I was taught never to touch an electrical component like this unless you're sure about it. And I was also told that if you do touch it like this with the back of your hand, so that if you get a belt off, you don't clamp onto it. You know, if you like this and you grip onto it, that could be it, couldn't it? So anyway, that's a little bit of advice that I was taught years ago. Look at that running, beautiful, fantastic actually. Okay, cheers then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you like what you see. Okay, bye. Let me just give you a word of warning. I lifted the boring machine down onto this crate while I was working on the motor on the table there, and without the motor on, it's not too bad right at the moment. If you look down at the bottom, the very front edge of the feet are supported, but what happened was, I'm just going to move it, hang on. I must have had it like that, where the very front edge of the seat wasn't particularly well supported, and look, watch, it just wants to go, look. When I put it on there, it was sitting there, but I must have caught it as I brushed past, and it ended up on the floor down here. So there's a bit of gravel rash there, and a couple of marks down there, but I've sort of brushed them off. But luckily it's a pretty sturdy piece of equipment, so I don't think it will have suffered. Anyway, I'm going to put the motor on it now and try it with the motor starting. Okay, the motor's back on, and now, by the miracles of modern electricity, I'll flick the switch, get them both in the same picture. Ready, click. There you go. Like I say, the belt's a bit worn. It's going round. Looks like a bit of run out on this. Don't know if I bent it. Hope not. Looks like I may have done. It's a swine, isn't it? That bit's whizzing round. Can you see that the thing's going round? I called it the worm the other day, but it's a screw thread. So the lead screw, if you like, for the feed mechanism is going round. If you lock that, then this starts to wind down, and you can just see it moving there. See it very slowly going down, and you just see the head advancing down. That's quite clever, isn't it? It's cool. Anyway, it's still running alright. I don't appear to have damaged it by dropping it. I'm going to turn it off now and wind it back up again. Look at that though, eh? Look, stop, start, stop. That's fantastic. Oop. Did you see that? It just took off because it touched the bench and started walking along the bench. Oh my god, I'm going to turn it off before I have any more accidents. Anyway, okay, thanks for dropping in. Bye.